Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tanamsco, the favorite YouTuber of your favorite YouTuber. And in today's video, I'm going to show you basically how to part your hair. It's very easy and straightforward. All you need is a comb and your hands, literally. So basically what you're gonna do is with the comb, the tail of this type of comb, you're gonna locate the middle of your hair. In my case, it's hair. So now I'm gonna pull my hand like this and make a line. You see? First you put the comb through it, boom, lift it up, pull your hand, and put it to the side, just like this. Then keep going, lift it up, push it to the side. You see? Push it to the side, keep going, lift it up, push it to the side. Lift it up, push it to the side. And literally that's it. Again, put it in, lift it up, push it to the side. Lift up, push it to the side. Lift up, push it to the side. And all you're gonna need to do is just now use your two hands and part it. Yes. That's it, literally it's parted. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and I'm out.